And an unfolding situation here as well. Good morning, Thor. Thanks for that. Outside of Meng Wanzhou's, the Huawei executive's Vancouver mansion. Want to quickly take a second here to set the scene, because this is something you don't see too often. So we have a lot of media here now that have gathered. They're hoping to get the perfect shot. We have an SUV in the driveway here. That's the SUV that Meng will get into when she does leave for court this morning. We also have a tent that's been set up. That's where her security team stays and keeps a watchful eye on her home here. This is her home where she's been under house arrest. All right, let's get into the extradition hearing that is set to begin today. Lawyers for Meng are accusing the Crown of relying on American law to make its case for sending her to the U.S., where she is wanted on fraud charges. The defense will argue that she should not be extradited because her actions would not be considered a crime here in Canada. Meng was arrested at YVR in late 2018 at the request of U.S. authorities. If the court rules in her favor, she could be free to leave Canada and return home to China in a few months.
The first mini-trial is about dual criminality, whether it's essentially a charge that's pursuable in Canada. If Meng Wanzhou wins that first mini-trial, if she's found that there is no dual criminality, then she could be out, in a few months. If, however, we move forward, that there is dual criminality, then we enter the next mini-trial, which is about the charter rights and the way she was arrested.
So Meng's extradition hearing is set to begin at around 10 o'clock this morning at BC Supreme Court in Vancouver. When she does leave her home here, which I would imagine will be very shortly, it will be mayhem for about 10 seconds or so, and then off she goes to court. Mary, over to you.
All right, thank you so much, Greg. 8:33 here on BT.